Bells ring out across the MSU Billings campus.
It's one of our long-lasting traditions here on campus that has started from day one and is still going on today.
On Martin Luther King Jr. Day, several dozen gathered for the university's annual National Bell Ringing Ceremony, a symbolic reminder of Dr. King's impact.
It's so much more than just ringing a bell.
For student body president Elijah Snagowski, it was extra meaningful as he was given the honor of ringing the bell.
I greatly value Martin Luther King Jr.'s dream, that dream for equality.
Those are words that still ring true for many currently in the United States. Tatiana Morales was one of several leaders who used her words to show how the civil rights movement is still relevant today.
It's those people's job who are not afraid for their life, who are not afraid of being deported or being hurt, to be out in the front and speak up.
She's the founder of Roots of Unity, an organization that advocates for the Black and brown community of Billings and says issues of deportation rates, national protests, and even recent acts of hate to local churches give her reasons to speak out as Dr. King once did.
My big focus, of course, was Martin Luther King, but also how I thought Martin Luther King would approach the current situations, and I strongly don't believe that he would remain silent.
Many participated even in small ways. Students, faculty, and community members worked to fill 100 encouragement bags, which will be dispersed to students in need.
It is called Encouragement and Hope. It's based around mental health awareness and just bringing light to those that may feel a little dark in places.
Even in a room full of different perspectives and backgrounds, it was a day defined by unity and a reminder to keep moving forward.
Being a part of that moment, the first thing I noticed was community as we all sat in silence and just reflected.
I look around at Billings and I think Billings has potential to be something great. I want to see Billings be what it can be.
In Billings, Isabel Sparts, MTN News.